Hello, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, all my friends and family worldwide. Today, I plan to make a crunchy, tasty kale salad. Okay, I bought a bunch of kale from the store and I already clean up. I wash it already thoroughly. So I'm gonna take out from the stem. So this is kale. Okay, so I'm gonna make crunchy, tasty kale salad. Okay, after you wash all the kale, and you have to wash thoroughly, at least I wash 3 times, and then I just take it out from the stem like this. This is the way you make it. This is not the same like color green. Color green, I put it in my YouTube channel around 3 weeks ago maybe, and it's similar green, but this is kale. It's curly. This is curly a little bit. Color green is straight, big leaf, and this one smaller like this, curly a little bit, and and then but the way we wash it is the same. So now I finished. Take all the kale from the stem. It's already here now, and in order to make them, you can do two different things. You can slice it like this, or you can just squeeze like this. Which one the best for you? You can do both of them. That's easy way actually. I like if I do like this. So because they are like look like a flower. So I don't use all of them, the one bunch kale. I use just half of them. I'll show you later when I finish. So okay, what else I use for this kale salad? First, I use olive oil, and this one less sodium soy sauce, and don't forget garlic. 2 garlics, that's enough. 2 garlic for this one, so will be tasty later on and healthy, because all these vegetables, kale is very healthy, and I need to have to use my tools to crush the garlic. I just finished squeeze or do like this. I didn't slide like I said. I just do like this, the last one, and it will be nice. And that's done. See this? Before I put everything, the olive oil and soy sauce. Okay, let's put olive oil. I didn't measure it. Just look at how much. Okay, that's enough. Let's mixing it, and put also less sodium soy sauce. Less sodium soy sauce. Just don't put immediately a lot. You have to try. That's why I always call salt to taste. And let press the garlic, 2 of them. See? And the second one, just medium, okay? Just medium garlic like this. Remember to wash after you clean everything. Alright, let's mixing it. Okay, let's continue to mixing it until soft with the olive oil and the soy sauce and the garlic. Once they look soft like this, I hope you can see this like this, then we can try. Okay. Oh yeah, before that actually, today also I will try to make it. I plan to make it Crispy Panko Chicken, and that's we're gonna have. We eat it with rice, and the salad I have it. Tasty, crunchy, tasty. All right. Hello, I'm back. Okay, after I made my crunchy kale salad, now I plan to make crispy panko chicken. This recipe is from my brother-in-law, which is he loves to cook like this every time we visit them. So I watch him in the kitchen and sometimes I help him too. So okay, I have the chicken. It's been cut from the grocery store. 1 cup purpose flour and 2 eggs, panko. And I modified my brother's recipe basically that I'm going to use garlic a little bit and black pepper. And also I'm going to make a salt to taste. So it will be very nice. Alright, now I put the 1 cup purpose flour here. And 2 eggs here. Second egg. And now let's put the panko here. Now I put a little bit garlic to the flour and salt a little bit, not too bad. Okay, that's enough. And black pepper. Okay. After you put all black pepper, garlic and salt, just mixing like this. Alright, let's start. This is the chicken and I'm going to dip first the raw chicken to the flour, mixing flour, and then we dip into the egg the second time, and now we dip to the panko. I hope you can see what I'm doing. Okay, now let's put it one by one. Okay, let's put another one. Here's the eggs and dipping to the egg, dip to the egg, and then into the panko. Yeah, kind of little bit. You have to wash your hand again after this. Alright, enough for in the fry pan. Now you can see it's almost brown in the bottom, so let's try to flip. See, you flip, you just look at, okay, how, look at nice color. And this one too. Put this together here so they will be nice, really crispy. And also later you check in the bottom and then you can take it out from the fry pan. Alright, you see this already brown. Once like this, because I already flipped before, this see already brown. So now I can take it. Once like this. And also please do not use the high one. I just use the medium stove, so it's not too, it's not too, it has to be cooked inside. Looks nice, right? Alright, I finished to make the crispy panko chicken, and I finished this morning my crunchy kale salad. So now we're gonna try. Sorry, let's get this cut a little bit, and we're gonna try. Really tasty. The chicken is nice, very tasty, and now I'm just gonna try also my crunchy kale salad. Crispy panko chicken and crunchy kale salad, both together they're very tasty, and you eat together they're so tasty. So I hope that you can make this at home. We learn something every day. Again, I'm going to give credit to my brother-in-law who in the past, every time we visit them, and they always cook like this, and I love it and I enjoy it. So I made my own modification for the recipe. Normally he didn't use pepper and and garlic, but I did use today. It's better taste. So I hope again you enjoy it, and try to make it home while we stay at home like this for the COVID-19. Okay, bon appetit, and please like LCCTravLog. Bye bye.